Guys, it's your boy Ken. Today I show you how to use Spotify step by step so you can start listening to your favorite music. Anytime, anywhere, let's go. Go to Play Store, search Spotify, open the app. Sign up with email, phone number, or connect with Facebook, Google. Tap the home screen, show recommended playlists, albums, and song. Scroll down to explore different categories like pop, rock, or chill music. Tap the modifying glass bottom. Type a song title, artist, album, or even mood like Sturdy Party. Tap a song. This is a pause, play, skip, go back, and go to your library to create a playlist. Tap library and tap the plus button to create a playlist. This is my favorite artist. If you have extra money, you can up you can avail the premium account. That's all. You know the basic Spotify from finding song to making playlists. This is your boy Ken. Enjoy the music and see you the next tutorial.